Happy birthday to someone I call my biggest brother. Happy birthday to a kingdom trailblazer. Happy birthday to a wonderful personality. Happy birthday to a true son of God and a servant of God. Happy birthday to a worldwide evangelist. Happy birthday to a super apostle. Happy birthday to a mega prophet. Happy birthday to a wonderful pastor and a genuine father. Happy birthday, Apostle Johnson Suleman. Your life is an example. Your life is a challenge. Your life is an inspiration. Your life is a wonder. Your life is a miracle. And I want to say thank you for all you do for the kingdom. Thank you for all you do for the family. Thank you for all you do for the nations and nations abroad. Thank you for all you do for me and my family, especially the part you played in my wife's life. For the past 5 years, from day one, you were the only man on earth that stood and said, Mike, I'm with you in this journey. From the first day to the last day, a few weeks ago, 5 years journey, you did not relent. You stood by what you said. You are a man really to be copied. Apostle, on behalf of Glorious World International, on behalf of myself, Mike ADOGAME, on behalf of my children, on behalf of the ministry and our partners, I want to say a wonderful birthday to you. May God show up in your life like never before. May the glory you have seen up to this point become the least you will ever see. Because as we behold his face, an open glass, we are transformed from glory to glory. May the ones you have seen in the past become the former glory. May God usher you into a new era of glory. May your life become more of a light that will be on a hill that nations, kingdoms cannot quench. You will not see a lesser yesterday. Your best today will become the smallest by tomorrow. God will keep upholding you. God will silence forever your naysayers and accusers. All the counsels of Ahithophel against you shall become foolishness. When they speak evil, it shall raise you up. You will ask for one, and 1,000,000,000 will answer. Your life is ever fortified. You will enjoy all the fruits of your labor. Thank you, Apostle Suleman. Thank you, my big brother. Thank you, kingdom partner. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.